Hey everybody, what's going on? It's Mr. Hino with Mr. Hino's Lego Robotics. Today's video, what I want to do is add a few more missions to the video that I did last week on the Getting Over 200 Point Challenge with Cargo Connect. So I tried to just use one hand, use very simple or just not even use many more attachments. And then I added two more missions to that list. Now I didn't put it together with the whole thing yet because time is running out here. We have our championships or our regional championships next Saturday. So if you don't see videos, it's not that I left you, it's just we're getting super busy getting prepared for that. So today what I want to do is just show you two of those missions that I'm going to add to that to add on to those 220 points. So if you want to see that, stay with me.
Hino Lego Robotics.
Oh yeah. Okay guys, so before we get into this video, I just want to give a big old shout out to Coach Tim or Timothy and the Sonoran Bot Dogs. Had a great time meeting you guys last week. I think you guys already had your qualifying tournament, so I hope you guys did okay. But let me just give a big shout out to Mia. And I love that bracelet, Mia. Jalea, Beauty, Emily, Perla, Nevea, Esmeralda, Camelia, Lacey, Carla, Bridget, Estefania, and Shayla. Loved to meet you guys. It was just really cool to be able to connect. And I just love the fact that you're an all-girls team. And Sonoran Bot Dogs, I love that name. So I just wanted to give them a big shout out and say it was really cool to meet you guys. And hopefully you guys pushed on, but if not, it was fun to meet you. And it was your first year, right? So again, good to meet you guys. So what we're gonna do today is take you back to the Cargo Connect table and show you those two missions I added on to my one-handed over 200 point mission. So let's go to the table. And 3, 2, 1, Lego. So we're gonna head over here to the cargo plane first. That is such a satisfying mission. I love that. And then we're gonna get this unused out of the way. Okay, now my next one. Oh, one hand is really tough. This next one is what I call switch green. We're gonna be taking these two gray containers over to the green circle and then flipping over the switching. Okay, so let's check that one out. There we go. Back in. Okay, and then this last one is what I just call trucks, because it's all about getting these platooning trucks hitched, and then hopefully, I don't know, sometimes I can knock over that bridge. I'm gonna just check that out. We'll see if that can happen. Ooh, that's in. Oh, okay, thought I could get that. Okay guys, this one's gonna be called containers because I have two containers, the gray one I haven't used and the hinge container. Don't forget about your hinge container. And we're just gonna take it to this circle right there. Because we wanna utilize every container and all those bonus points for a circle having a container in it. So there we go, that's gonna add 30 points to our total there. Okay guys, I call this one finish because this is the program that I'm supposed to finish with. Push that off. And yeah, look at that. So we get 30 there and 30 there. Okay guys, so for those of you that are getting ready for your qualifying tournaments or your championships, best of luck to you. It's just an exciting time of the year, and it's one of those things you just never forget. It's just so exciting. You guys have put so much work and effort into it. So Mr. Hino gives you my best wishes. Hope that all of the teams do really well, and I will see you on my next video, okay? I am Mr. Hino from Mr. Hino's Lego Robotics. I'm out.
He's out.
He's out.
We got this.
We got this.
We got this, guys.
Hey guys, Mr. Hino here. Thank you so much for watching. And if you love robotics, don't forget to check out these videos also because they're cool. Okay guys, take care.